Welcome, my dear friends. I hope all are fine. This is Raja with you today for my channel, Online Regular Income. My dear friends, thank you very much for your support. Okay. Today, I'm going to discuss with you about the statistics board or statistics level in Myleadgensecret. Okay, my dear friends, you all are watching all the videos inside my channel. Okay. Nowadays, this Myleadgensecret program, this is a money making program online. Okay, this is going fantastically. All the internet marketers, online money earners, part-time business seekers, all are involved with this business to earn money $3,000 to $4,000 per month. Okay, so I have given a lot of videos. Please go through that. When you watch this video, down below in the description there is a joining link and a lot of other details. Just click on that. It will take you directly to the website of myleadgensecret.com. There is a demo video. You can see that, and then you can easily join. You come to know how easy to make $3,000 to $4,000 per month. Okay, guys. So let me go inside this video. Our channel, please subscribe. Okay, yeah, and thank you for your subscription. My dear guys, in this lead generation system, actually this myleadgensecret.com is a money making platform. In the name itself, Lead Gen Secret, how to generate leads. That is the main concept of this website. This company is advertising in USA and bringing a lot of new business seekers, online entrepreneurs, okay, who wants to earn money in online. They are applying and they are taking the leads and giving to us, to you and me who join inside this program. Okay, joining fees only $30 monthly subscription, $30. Okay, and initially for the first time only setup fees is $29.95. So totally when you join $60 you have to invest. That's all. Okay, so after joining you can earn in this site $3,000 to $4,000 per month in various ways. Here it's given get paid in 4 ways. How? Number one is a monthly passive residual. Okay, it's a monthly income because each and everyone is paying monthly subscription to this company. So the company is sharing taking a part of the amount and sharing it to all the downline members from level 1 to 5 lifelong. That is the monthly residual income. And referral income, this is when you join, because this website you have to promote. Okay, so for the promotion also it's available inside this website. It is easy, just email sending. By sending the emails to all the member database they provide to us free. We will get affiliates. We will get a lot of new members and they will join in this website and promote. So by doing this way, the company is giving $5 for each and every affiliate who bring. Okay, we bring whoever we are bringing inside the scheme, the company is paying to us as $5 as a referral income. So every month you can bring any amount of new affiliates, new people to the site. Let them come and earn, no problem. You are getting income in level wise from 1st to 5th. Okay, so regarding this I already explained. Okay, now 3, earn bonus leads. Bonus, initially they give, the moment you join, after that every day 100 leads they are giving to you. USA fresh leads. You will send the sales emails to them along with your affiliate link and your personal, private, any other business sales link also you can send it to these people. They are the human being. They watch that. They can join in this program. Otherwise, they can join in your own private program also. Wherever may be, you are getting people, you are getting commissions, income. Correct now? So one more thing is OTO, one-time offers and weekly bonus. Like that, lot of ways we are earning money in this site, my dears. I have explained to you in many videos. I have given a complete picture about the usage, about the benefit, futures, etc., etc. about this website. This is a very good, fantastic online money making program with a less investment. Yes. $30 one time and $30. So $60 is not a very big amount to join in this program. You may be aware. Okay. So what you are getting is $4,000 per month. Okay. Now we'll come to the point that how you take out the payment. How you take out the payment from this website, this company. Okay. So minimum payout is $30. Once you reach $30, automatically you can give a withdrawal request. They will send it to your PayPal account or Bitcoin account. You can withdraw. No problem. Okay. So now I am going to explain you what is the statistics. How you see the statistics level. Because here what is happening in this website, the company, once you join, the company is giving every day 200 USA business seekers leads to you. For what? Because you are paid money, $30 to them. That's why they are giving free. We have paid this $30 monthly, means we can use this website and earning $3,000-4,000 per month. But they are giving the leads freely. Okay? By using those leads, we are forming and designing a good email and sending this email through the email sending platform inside this website. You understand? It's very easy. You need not go to Gmail and send one by one scam, etc., etc. Nothing. They have a platform, email platform, and we can use that and create an email and send every day, only one time in a day. You can send mails to all every day. Even 5,000 people, 20,000 people, whoever, whatever. Okay, we can send mails to them. They receive that, they will like. If they like, they can join. Otherwise, no problem. This is the home page. Here we can see that how many leads per day they are giving. Today leads 100 leads. Yesterday bonus leads how much, etc., etc. Okay. So here this is the statistics. Email sending report. I will show in the next page. This is actually account overview page. The moment when you log in to this system, you can go to the first page. This is the account over page. Lot of information are there. Then after that you can go to the next page. Here every day you can see a list in this leads. Initially I was getting 100 leads. After the moment I bring only one referral as a first timer to join in my team, from that day onwards I start getting 200 leads from this company. Okay. Till that time I was getting only 100 leads. I was trying. Initially I don't know how to use, what's happening like that. After that I know. Now I thoroughly learned everything, how to use. That's why I put video to a lot of my new guys to join. Let them learn first. Okay. So this list is this list contains all the database of each and every day they have given to us. Likewise, you'll also get when you join. Okay. See, what we'll do, every day, only one time only we are eligible to send emails to them. What we have to do, there is a box here. Just click one box, everything will be marked or tick mark. Okay. So, no problem. We should not avoid anybody. We should not omit anybody. Just click one button. So, all the date-wise database will be selected. Then automatically we will go to mailing system. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. Now, if you click in this box, all the data will be selected. Then you will go to mailing system. Okay. Automatically, there is a mail board will be there. Email box. You can here itself we can do just copy and paste. You create a mail inside. Okay. But don't take much time. Otherwise, system says that your time is over. So better you do, before sending any email, always open an MS Word. There you prepare slowly and do the correction, copy and paste here and do some decorations, insertion of some images, links, thank you, attachment, joining link, etc., etc. After then there is a button downside. Just, oh yeah, important very thing is perfect timing. You just put a click mark, perfect time, because the system knows when to deliver the particular mail to whom, where, when. So that is their header, not our header. Just click perfect timings so that that will be delivered to all the leads in their appropriate time. Okay, so all the mail will be utilized. So once you do this mailing system, check thoroughly, preview. There is a preview button, check and see that. After that, send. Yeah, that's all. Within 1 minute, everything will be delivered fast. My dear, this is an amazing opportunity. So total work to every day 15 to 20 minutes of time if you allot to work on this site. Just imagine, it's very easy. 15 to 20 minutes are maximum to do this work. Okay, in the initial time you have a less database. Day by day, month by month, you will get 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 leads you will have. So every day you can send mails to them. There is no objection at all. Okay, so once you send the mail, what will happen? Where will go? Yeah, now we are coming to the point. It's a statistics board, level board, statistics board. What we say? Yeah, the status of this particular website, the status of email sending platform. What is the status now? I can see that. So from here you can see that 14th 8 I was sending. There is a headline, just earn 200 daily for you, because this is, I created this headline in my mind. So always, because inside this website there is a lot of affiliate templates, more than 30, 40, 50, 60, something like that. Okay, you can use it that otherwise. Okay, because a lot of people will use the same one. We should be in a different way. So why don't you prepare for yourself? You prepare it your own with the good contents, good wordings. Okay. Then every day you make a email and select all the people and send it to them. So this is the list. Initially I sent 100, then 300, then 400, 500, 600. One day I sent it 1000. Okay. Then 1400 and 600. Like that I was sending mails. Okay. So here you can see that how many people opened. When I send 1600 leads, emails, only 150 people just open the email. Okay, and the click rate only 20, because there is some, because I'm not much familiar. Why? Normally some other people, good online marketers, they are already in this program 2-3 months before, they got a very good, a lot of clicks, more than this. For 1600 emails, okay, 46, 47 I found, but I got less clicks. Okay, so I have to learn more. I have to do some setups. Okay, you will also do this. Initially, you can day by day when you do some work inside, you can find a new techniques how to improve myself. Okay, because see, now I'm sending mails only these people. Okay, but what we have to do, we have to use our link, we have to promote our link through all the social media. I put a video on that, how to get more traffic from social media, how to get more sales by using the sales media, traffic where from you can bring, how to get more affiliates. Regarding that I put a lot of videos, you can see that. Okay, this is the statistics board. You can see what is happening, what is the status we are in this business, how to improve. For that, what to do? There is a lot of you will get reply for all lot of questions here itself. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you understand about this particular subject, statistics in Myleadgensecret. This is a really very good program, madam, because everyone can do it. Simple investment, $30 monthly. It's just one day family lunch. Okay, but we are getting lifelong. We can continue this platform. Okay, because not only promoting this side, we can promote ClickBank, ClickFunnels, or lot of MaxBounty, etc., etc. Many other programs are there. You take all the links and place it here and send it to them. Let them reach. Go to lot of Facebook groups. Place there. Post your affiliate links, sales link, promotional links. You get it. Work, work, work. If we work, we will get commission. Okay. Don't depend on 100%. Yeah, we'll get more money from this website. But we have to work. But then when sales is happening there, automatically we'll get a commission. Okay. Company, what they are doing, we are making money to them. From that they take a small pot and give it us. So we have to work hard. We have to use a lot of techniques inside. Okay. Not only in this website, wherever there is a lot of money making program, wherever you go, there is a lot of competitions. We have to show our hope, my dear friends. I hope you all are clear. Okay. This project designed by Mr. Jim Harmon is from USA. Is expert in this business. Okay. So very easily he designed this program to use people like you and me. It's very easy. Okay. No need of going back or going out or run away. If you start today, you can do lifelong, because they keeps on giving 200 leads every month, and whatever the work affiliate we are bringing, we are giving commission. Whatever the 1 week, if we bring 5 people, they are giving 100 bonus. You can bring any people. Okay, then swipe, level, residual, lot of incomes are there. We can promote other business also inside. It's permitted. Okay, these leads are permitted leads, so no scam at all, no objection at all. Lifelong you can use. Okay, my dear friends, please come and join and see my all videos inside my channel. Thank you.